There, I'm just doing a little bass stuff in there.
Now, bass, strum. What was that?
Right.
It seemed like you came up on that.
So I'm going bass, strum, 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 D. Ah, yeah, you caught that.
What's that? What do you come up? Okay.
That's almost like the from the bassist strum up.
Okay.
You know, let's see, here we do it. That is just almost an incidental thing. In the beginning, when people first start to play that, they're really aiming for it. But as you can see, that's just, it's kind of better to get the motion of your hand going first. Okay. If you get the motion working, like the guys we looked at today, both Chris Cornell, Neil, they were so crisp and solid with their right hands.
Yes.
If you get that going, everything else will land where it needs to land. That's when you get into some of these YouTube videos where they say, listen, they're not giving you D's and U's, they just say, listen to the recording for the rhythms.
Yep.
And what they're really meaning is, once you have your right hand doing that, then it doesn't happen right away either. It's not an instant fix, but what it is, it's a long-term way to think about how you train for it. That's where that came up. And that's what happens next when you go bass drum. And at first, people are reasonably they're trying to be accurate, right? But you hear there? I'm not even hitting I'm not worried about that one note. I'm usually hitting 2 or 3. As long as you're not hitting all of them, even if you do hit all of them, as long as you're in time, it's good. If you're in time and you make the chord changes on time, that's good enough, right? Right, but see that right hand?
And that's what I need to work on, is probably timing of that right hand and getting something like that. Yeah. I think that is a good,
long term, that's what you're training.
Yes.
It's better to be on time and get 2, 3 of the right strings in the general vicinity where you're trying to hit.
And if you're playing with drums and somebody singing and everything else like that, it's going to be fine, right?
Yes, that's it. Get the chord changes, tighten up time wise.
Yep.
Yeah, you're not worried about the Wheatleys on that one. That's the how you jam with other people school of music right there. You know, you're just not worried about all that.